All right, so here we are on the Webull app on my phone, and I'm going to show you exactly how to deposit funds into your Webull account very, very simply. So what you're going to want to do here is go to this middle button, and then they're going to prompt you to enter your trading passcode. Now, this is something you're going to set. It's going to protect your account and make sure that nobody can get into your account, take any money out, do any transactions, anything of that nature. So I'm going to put this passcode in, be right back. All right, so now that I put in my passcode, you can see that we are on the home screen now. This shows my account. I've got about $160 in this particular account. You can see the chart up here of how the account is performing. Now, let's go and deposit $100 into our account. So you go to transfer, press deposit, and then you'll enter a custom amount. So it's already linked to my bank account, as you can see here. If it's not, there's going to be a button up there that says link a bank account. You're going to do that. It's done through Plaid, which is a very secure way to link financial institutions to one another, kind of the industry standard. So you'll link your account there by putting in your username and password, or using your routing and account number if you so prefer. And then you'll be able to enter an amount here. So let's say $100. We're going to transfer that right on into Webull. We're going to press confirm. And what we're going to notice once this deposit goes through is that you have access to what are called instant deposits on the Webull platform. So they're going to give you instant access to up to $1,000 of deposit. As you can see here, all right, boom, we are all set. So they're going to give us instant access to $1,000 at a time as an instant deposit that's going to allow you to start trading immediately, because it takes a while for money to move, at least in the US system, for money to move from one place to another. It has to what's called settle, and settling can take up to 3 business days in some cases. So Webull does not actually make you wait those full 3 business days on the first $1,000. They're kind of fronting you that $1,000 with the assumption that once the $1,000 comes in from your bank account, that's going to pay them back. Okay, so they're kind of giving you a little interest-free loan there for a little bit while your money's settle. So that's one real convenience to Webull. So just keep that in mind. Now let's go down to the deposit here, and I can show you what I mean. So as you can see, we put in $100 from my bank account that's created on today. This is February the 4th, and it's not going to arrive until the 10th. So you can click on this little icon here. It's going to tell you about how money takes some time to settle. Okay, so because today is Thursday, that money's actually not going to arrive until like next Wednesday. Okay, so it can actually take quite a while for that money to settle. But like I said, with those instant deposits, you're going to have instant access to that cash. And as you can see, if we go back to my home screen here, you can see my cash balance is $100.24. My buying power is $200.24, as well as my settled cash. So you can see that $100 is in here as buying power. However, it's not actually added to the cash balance yet because I don't have the cash hasn't actually reached the account, but Webull is still allowing me to transact with that money as if it had reached the account.